Hi everyone and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to look at the numbers in Luxembourgish and do a few exercises to practice them. But before we start working, I first wanted to introduce you to another study, this time done by Lou Pepin, who's a doctoral student at the University of Luxembourg. For a study on cross-border commuters and languages in Luxembourg, the university is looking for participants for their survey. The survey is meant for you to give your opinion on languages, multilingualism, and their influence on your life. It takes about 20 minutes to answer the questions, and to thank you for your time, you will have the opportunity to win a gift voucher. Thank you very much in advance. As usual, don't hesitate to leave your feedback in the comment section, and also don't hesitate to follow me on Instagram. Let's first start with the numbers from 1 to 20. For these, I recommend you learn them by heart to avoid confusion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. From 21 on, there's a system in the construction of the numbers. For 21, we say 21, so literally 1 and 20. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. This repeats itself for the rest of the numbers. The only thing you have to be careful about is the N rule, which I'm going to talk about in an upcoming video. 30, 31, 40, 41, 50, 51, 60, 61, 70, 71, 80, 81, 90, 91. Et pour dire 100, on dit 100. Let's move on to a first exercise. Wie zuel as dat? What number is this? Drei, 7, 15, 30, 13, 18, 52, 88, 41, 96, 60,
75, 12, 64, 33, 76, 29, 16. To access the second exercise, you can scan the QR code or just follow the link that's also in the description box. And to access the last exercise, you can also scan the QR code or follow the link.